bolts there, bolts over there. Once I do that, I'm able to drop the drive line. Once I'm able to drop the drive line, I gotta go inside the cab, remove the 4 bolts holding the shifter, and then I can start working on pulling off the bolts holding the transmission together, and I should be able to drop the transmission. So what I ended up doing was I got the valve covers off, got the valve covers replaced. They're the old ones. So far I have the throttle body completely cleaned, taken apart, replaced the gaskets on this. Got the gasket right here ready for the next one. Have all the gaskets ready to go for those. The clutch that I ended up putting in is the transmission fully out. Got it nice and cleaned up. So to replace this is pretty simple. You just need to remove 2, 4, 6 bolts that are holding that. And you get a little clutch kit tool that goes right through the center. Just make sure you're lined up all the way. Pretty much it for that. But next is to put the transmission back in and get everything back up. While I had this all taken apart, I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs, replacing the boots. No need for the coilovers. I still got to replace these. But other than that, it's almost ready to be put back together. All right, got the valve covers changed. Got it almost all put back together. Got the clutch changed out, removed all, cleaned the transmission, got the drive line back in. I just need to hook up the last of the exhaust. But other than that, next thing I was trying to do is install this trailer hitch from my old car, and there are 2 bolts here. Let me see if I can fucking position it right. Yeah, right there. And then there's 2 bolts that go right over here as well. But that's going to be the next thing I do, is properly get that back on there. So yeah.